Hi, my name is Erin, and this is Morgane and Liz, and we're master students at Durham University. We're currently working on a project that will look at sensory processing in typically developing children, and then how that affects their academic achievement in the classroom.
One of the characteristic deficits of children with autism is that they have a lot of sensory processing difficulties. So they find a lot of auditory stimuli very overwhelming, and they get very highly distracted by visual displays. And obviously this can cause a lot of issues in the classroom, because you have the teacher talking at you, there are lots of children around making a lot of noise, potentially some outside noise of a playground. As well, in primary schools there are a lot of visual displays around on the walls, which can be distracting for children.
Sensory processing is the main part of what our dissertation is, and how we are going to measure that is using something called the Dunn Sensory Processing Scale in that framework. And how that works is it's on two continuums that intersect, which goes passive to active in terms of how they process it, and then from low to a high threshold in terms of what their threshold for sensory processing that they can take.
So in our study we're going to recruit schools from the local area and go in and look at their classroom, do a questionnaire, see how much colour, how much light's coming in. We're also going to ask teachers to fill in a questionnaire about children's behaviour in the classroom, see if they get distracted by stimuli if they talk to their peers. We're also going to send out questionnaires to the children's parents and ask about their sensory experiences relating back to Dunn's sensory framework. And we're also going to go in and do academic achievement tests with the children and a IQ test. Then we're going to get all these together and see what affects academic achievement.
So ideally in the future this could possibly impact how teachers design their classrooms so that children can best learn in the classroom.